If you want to generate these types of images using AI, then you are absolutely on a right place. In this video, I show to you how you can generate these images. First of all, subscribe Zohybe AI and click on bell icon for more amazing AI-related videos.
Saving the future, $1 at a time. With Zohybe AI, we're gonna be just fine.
First of all, open any browser, go on search bar and search Microsoft Bing Image Creator, and then open First Site. First of all, make a account on it, and then you will redirect on this page. Now in this text area, give your prompt. This prompt is available in description box. You can copy from description and paste it here and change name. And then click on Create button and your image will generate in few seconds. And here your images are generated. You can download all these images. Select any of the image and then click on Download button to download in your PC. You can make these images on Android. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video is helpful for you.